Ever heard a fish cough? It sounds like a joke, right? Wait, but it's actually a real thing. Okay, now? It's not a cover-your-mouth kind of cough like we do. Okay, it's more of a quick, forceful gulp to clear out their gills. Think of it like this. When we get dust in our throat, we cough. When a fish gets debris, sand, or other gunk stuck in its gills, it needs a way to flush it out. Good! So, it performs a cough, a sharp reverse flow of water that pushes everything out. It's a super fast and effective cleaning mechanism. So next time you're near an aquarium, watch closely. You might just see a fish clearing its throat. A fish coughing, ... That's not just odd. That's oddly specific. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more weird facts.